Hello Beauty Glam sisters, welcome back to my channel. And hello to the new Beauty Glam sisters, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel. Today we're going to be creating a DIY makeup remover. All you're going to need for this DIY is coconut oil, water, baby wash, a mason jar with a lid, and cotton pads, the round ones. First off, we're going to use a measuring cup, 1 cup of water, and we're going to put it in our bowl. So measure 1 cup of water and pour it in our bowl. Okay. Next, we're going to grab a tablespoon of the coconut oil. Okay, so it's not melted, so I'm going to pour it in a little thing. I'm going to go microwave it so it can melt. So just 2 tablespoons of that. There's 1. Oh, get a knife. Here's 2. There's 2. Alright, so I'll be back since it's not a liquid. I'm gonna go microwave for a few seconds and then come back, okay? Alright, now that I'm back, it only took 20 seconds to melt the whole coconut oil. I'm gonna put it in the bowl with the water. The water's in here. Stir it together. Alright, and now we're gonna grab our baby wash. We're going to grab our teaspoon and we're going to get 2 teaspoons of this. There's 1. There's 2. And now we mix all that together. I'm going to open my mason jar and grab some pads from here. Like about this much, because that's only just going to fit on the mason jar. Stick it in there. Oh, make sure they're even, not funky. So they're even. And start pouring the mixture in there. Okay, so I'm back. So I transferred the liquid into a Tupperware that has a corner so I could pour it into the mason jar. Alright, and here we go. So we'll make a big mess. Let it absorb the liquid in the pads. Alrighty, and for the moment of truth, here we go. Make sure you squeeze some excess that's on there. Here you go. There you go, guys. There's the proof that it works. You can tell because I have no makeup on that side now. Alright, so Beauty Glam sisters. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big like, share this video, and continue being a Beauty Glam sister. I appreciate every single last one of you Beauty Glam sisters. Thank you for tuning, and until next time, bye!